Hi everyone, I'm now talking to you from back home, and it seems that I won't be going back to Cambridge very soon. In this video, I'll update you on my daily life here at home and the new exam arrangements in Easter term at Cambridge. Stay tuned. I've been home in Romania for about 3 weeks now, and I've been receiving daily updates from the university about the situation, and the university staff have apparently been working really hard to make the new exam arrangements. It's obviously really difficult to change something that's been a certain way for hundreds of years. Over this period, I've tried to go on with my revision as I had planned, but it's been a bit difficult to focus because of the uncertainties related to the examination methods. I wasn't worried about whether I could graduate this year because every email said that finalists are prioritized so that we can graduate. But not knowing the format of the exams, I was unsure what to focus on in my revision. A few days ago, we received detailed information about the new modes of assessment, and basically all my exams will be take-home exams instead of timed exams that we used to have in Cambridge. So with the new arrangements for my translation exam from and into German, I will be able to use a dictionary, and with the new arrangements, I'll need to provide a translator's commentary for the most difficult bits of the translation, motivating my choices, which I didn't have to do for the timed exam, but luckily there is guidance for all this new stuff that we need to do for the new assessment. I have also got a German text and culture exam this year, which implies writing a stylistic analysis and commentary in German, which will also be taken as a take-home exam. For my two scheduled papers, the ones where I've got to write essays, I will be given a few days to write either two 1,500 word essays or one 3,000 word essay. I'll probably go for the 3,000 word essay because I like writing long pieces of work. And actually, I'm happier with this mode of assessment rather than timed exams where we have to write 3 essays in 3 hours, because I enjoy taking the time, and besides I've already handed in an 8,000 word year abroad project and a 10,000 word dissertation this year, so I'm quite comfortable writing or handing in pieces of written work. At the moment I'm trying to take notes from one German text every day for the text and culture exam, because in the exam in the commentary we'll have to link all these texts that we've read together and provide arguments from and examples from many of these texts. At the same time, I'm researching for my German culture paper, and I'm focusing on Adorno and his cultural critique. I'm trying to finish this in 1 month so that I leave the next month to prepare for my translation exam and the history of political thought exam. By this point, I'm not going out of my house or courtyard anymore. I'm splitting my time between studying and playing the guitar, watching films, reading, exercising, and I've also been playing some video games with friends a little bit. I'm trying to enjoy time spent with my family, although I'm a little worried about my mother, who's working in intensive care, and she's got shifts with patients with coronavirus every day, and I really hope she's gonna be fine. She's always wearing the protective gear, but who knows what can happen. On this note, I hope that the reality of the pandemic has not hit very close to your own home, but if it has, my thoughts are with you and your family. Now I'd like to ask you, how are you holding up in quarantine? Let me know in the comments below how are you keeping yourself busy every day. And I'll be back with a new quarantine vlog in a few days. And until then, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel to see all the upcoming vlogs, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.